Okay, so today we're going to be talking about why your ads aren't working, why your Facebook, Google ads are maybe not performing the way that you want them to, or you're not achieving the ROI that maybe that you see other people achieving. And so we're going to be talking about the 5 keys of social proof. I'm sure you've heard it before, social proof this, social proof that. I'm going to tell you exactly how you deliver social proof to your potential customers and what exactly that means. So the first one is you need solid testimonials somewhere. Either you have a Google My Business, okay? You either have Trustpilot or you have a page like this. This is something that I have that I sent to my current clients so that they can look at it. So it's all about building credibility, building that trust, showing them that you actually know what you're doing. It's not enough just to have them book a call and then talk to them. You need to warm them up beforehand. Number two, something called a pre-call flow. Now, I rarely find a client or anybody running ads online that actually has a quality pre-call flow. So what that means is, what are your prospects exposed to after they book a call from you or after they become a lead? Because if all you have is just some basic, automated appointment reminder, you're wasting leads, right? You're not warming them up, and you're not going to have the quality that you can have. You're not going to be able to charge the prices that you can. So it's everything that happens after the call is booked and before they actually show up to the appointment. A confirmation email with a value add is huge. And what I like to do is send out a link to a YouTube video, adding as much value as possible before the call. This is the first email, the very first confirmation email. After that, the next call reminder is going to come with a link to testimonials similar to this page right here. The last call reminder that comes up maybe the day of, a couple hours before, should have some sort of client success roadmap. If you're a coach or a creator or something like that, if you outline exactly what it looks like to work with you, before they even hop on the call with you, it shows that you know what you're talking about, you're serious about your business, and clearly it's going to be a good experience working with you. They're already sold by the time they hop on the call. So I just want to outline something. Now imagine you get 20 low quality leads, you spend hours chasing them, and you maybe close 2, and let's say in a week. Or you just have 5 quality appointments, they're warmed up, they're your target market. 4 will actually show up because you did, what you're supposed to do with the pre-call flow, and you close 1 or 2. But you spend way less time, you have a higher ROI, you're going to get more money because they trust you more. So number 3 is content. I know you're always going to hear about people harping on content, right? I'm going to tell you exactly what this means, okay? So one of my favorite content platforms for actually building trust is obviously YouTube, okay? Now, YouTube is great for middle of funnel. It's where, like I said earlier, you're sending videos, you're sending value to your prospect before actually getting on a call with them, okay? Now, you don't need that much content. If you have 3 to 5 videos on there, one-time work, right? You're not consistently doing this. You don't need to have a whole team. The more, obviously, better, but I'm all about, effort equaling impact, right? You want to do as little as possible, get as much impact as possible. So I want to highlight even the personal experience. I had a little, had some money invested somewhere or whatever. I don't want to get into detail with it, but I just want to outline how this actually happened with me. I looked them up on Google, and this is their website, right? This website is whatever, nothing special. But then when I clicked on their YouTube, okay, and there's not that many videos here. They don't have that many views. They don't have barely any subscribers. This is all you need. Okay, they have 13 or whatever videos. Not important. The fact that I can see the founders talking. They have an office. They look legitimate. They know what they're talking about. That's it. This could apply to any industry, any business, wherever your target market is. So if you're an accountant, you got to have a LinkedIn, right? I can't tell you how many times we would take on a client, an accountant specifically, and they wouldn't even have their business listed under their profile. So when someone would search them up, to check out their online process, their online presence, and things don't look up to par, guess what happens? They just close it, they disappear. They won't even show up to the call, right? People do their research. We're in something called a trust recession right now. You probably heard about this before. You need to have the one-time thing as credible and legitimate as possible. Number 5, a client success roadmap. All right. Having this, showing them this on the actual appointment. Even if you're like a home services company doing solar installations, for example, and you sent them a little brochure with just showing your previous successful projects, or you had like a video of a happy customer. We have this go out in the email, prior to the actual call itself, and we show them this on the call as well. We're showing them that you actually have a process. Even though I'm sure you do, actually showing the customer will work wonders for your business. I'm telling you, if you do these 5 things, it will have a huge ROI. Setting this up properly, and even A/B testing, what kind of content actually goes out in your email. So, in business, doing the work on the one-time work, the stuff that, you only do once, you should do it make it as high quality as possible, right? So the email is very important. Everybody's always talking about email marketing. What does that mean? The emails have to be high quality. They don't have to be long, just high quality. And there should be a link to a YouTube video, a piece of content every single time. Imagine this. Someone clicks on a link, goes to your YouTube video, goes to your YouTube channel. They watch that video, and then they binge all the videos on your channel. Boom, they've hit that metric. They've hit that threshold of those 7 hours. Just like that. You've already built value. You've given them that social proof, more value. By the time they get on the call with you, it's an enrollment call. It's not even a sales call. They're already closed, right? If you guys have any questions about setting this up for yourself, maybe writing the copy for it, I'm going to have a link at the bottom of the video. You can book a call anytime, right? Thank you.